Welcome to BIMARTIK. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use the Link CAD Files command. First, open the 3D view, then go to the BIMARTIK Concrete panel and click Link CAD Files. Pick your global CAD folder if you already saved it in Settings. Or click Browse Folder and select where your CAD files live. Choose the units for the CAD files from the list. Next, pick the target level. Choose the Match by Level Name option to link the CAD files in multiple views, including the 3D view. Choose how Revit will place each file. Origin to origin or center to center. Select colors, preserve or black and white. Finally, click the Link All button. Hint: if there is a CAD file that does not match a level name, the plugin lets you attach it manually. The summary shows what was linked, where it was placed, and any items skipped. Open a 3D view or your plan view to review the result. That's it, you've linked CAD files, clean, controlled, and ready for production. For more tools and tutorials, follow us on YouTube and social media. Thanks for watching.